how to add photos and videos to Badoo. Open the Badoo app and make sure you are logged in. Go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile page. Tap on the profile. You will see edit button there. Tap it. Now you will see an add photos or videos button. Tap it to start uploading your media. Choose your source. You can either take a photo or video using your camera or upload from your gallery. Pick what you like best. Select the photo or video you want to upload. You can add multiple files at once to make your profile more attractive. After tapping, it will load the photo and your photo or video will be added to your profile. A well-filled profile with media get more attention and matches. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.